What's up everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA on a Windows operating system. So let's get started. To install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, go to your browser and search for it by typing in IntelliJ IDEA download and hit enter. Here click on the first link from jetbrains.com. This opens up the official site of IntelliJ IDEA. You can get this link from the description of the video so that you can simply click on it and navigate through the site. Now you can see here that we have the Ultimate Edition and down here the Community Edition of IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm gonna go for the Community Edition, which is free. So click on download and it starts downloading the IDE. Once the download is complete, simply click on this installer and it opens up the installer window. It will ask you administrative privileges, so click on yes and here simply click on next. Now here keep the installation directory as it is and click on next. Now on the installation options, we need to check this box to create a desktop shortcut. It's also recommended to check this box to easily open a folder as a project. Here we have some language options. You can select as many languages as you wish for your project needs. Now I'm gonna use the IDE for Java projects. So I'm gonna check this box for Java and here check this box to include the paths on our environment variables and click on next. Now keep the default installation location as it is and click on install. Once the installation is complete, here I recommend you to check this box to reboot your system and come back to the video for the rest of the tutorial. Alright, now let's open the IDE and interact with it. So this is the interface of IntelliJ IDEA. Now let's create a new project. For this, simply click on this new project icon and here it detects JDK on my system since I have installed it. But if you haven't installed it yet, you can simply click on this add SDK and download Java, or you can also watch my video on how to install Java. Alright, now let's name our project here. Let's say Hello World and select the language you want to program with. In this case, select Java and simply click on create. This opens up our Hello World project and you can see here that under the Hello World project folder, we have this source and main program is created inside it. So once you select this main program, you can see this simple Java program. So wait for a couple of seconds until it finishes indexing our JDK and run the program to see what the output looks like. After indexing, a run button will show up here. So click on this run button and you can see the output right here. Alright, now let's customize this program and see how it works. So here type in welcome to my channel, save it and simply click on run. Now you see that the output is correctly displayed down here. So this is how you can simply install IntelliJ IDEA on a Windows operating system and interact with some programs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.